Hello, we will discuss GSSB ESIC pharmacist exam. Exam year is 2018. First question, which acid is used in the limit test of iron, that is thioglycolic acid? Apparitions means loss of water molecule from a crystalline substance. Which color is painted on nitrous oxide cylinder, NO2 cylinder, that is blue? Phenytoin chemically belongs to which class? Hydantoin. Clopidogrel is used as lipid lowering agent. Which is sulfur containing amino acid? Methionine. Which is saturated fatty acid? Palmitic acid. Which heterocyclic ring is present in chloroquine? Quinoline ring. Cholesterol is identified by which test? Lieberman-Bouchard test. Epsom salt is synonym of MgSO4. Blank differentiate monosaccharide and disaccharide, that is Barfoed test. Deficiency of vitamin K leads to defective blood clotting. Next, in the living cell, blank is just like the brain of body, that is nucleus. Which one of the following is not obtained from the animal source, that is tragacanth? OH-1 ion is called as hydroxide ion. Hydrogen peroxide is used as antiseptic. Green vitriol is a synonym of ferrous sulfate. How much percentage weight by volume iodine is present in Lugol solution, that is 5%. Which oxygen is containing heterocyclic ring? Furan. What is chemical name of paracetamol and acetyl para-aminophenol? Diphenhydramine chemically belongs to which class? Amino-alkyl ether. Beriberi occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin thiamine. Which diagnostic agent is used for liver function test, that is sulfobromophthalin? Blank is added as stabilizer in formalin solution, that is methanol. Malon's test is positive for which amino acid, that is tyrosine? Which is required for crystallization and storage of insulin, that is Zn+2. Type 2 diabetes means non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. Parotid gland is a part of salivary gland. Goiter is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. In Bronsted-Lowry concept, acid is proton donor. State the appropriate meaning of diaphoresis, that is sweeting. What is the meaning of gutta, that is drop? Which is the sweet principle present in phenyl, that is anethol? Which of the following drug belongs to Mataceae family, that is eucalyptus? Hyponatremia is a condition in which low sodium level in blood. Strontium chloride is used as desensitizing agent. Phenobarbital is a long-acting barbiturates. Which heterocyclic ring is present in indomethacin, that is indole ring? Which is non-reducing sugar, that is sucrose? Alkaptonuria disease occurs due to the lack of enzyme homogeneinase oxidase. Which metal is present in cisplatin, that is platinum? Which is pollen antibiotic? Amphotericin. Cobalt is a constituent of vitamin B12. Precipitated chalk is a synonym of calcium carbonate. Normal urine is slightly acidic. Diaphragm is a type of skeletal muscle. Blank is known as the cough drop. Lozenges is known as the cough drop. Samels means once. Schedule F3 describes about the standards for umbilical tabs. When at least 50% share of a business organization in the hands of government, it is called as the government company. The process in which on heating a solid gets converted to gas without intermediate formation of liquid is known as sublimation. 1 dessert spoonful is equal to 8 ml. Adulteration in mother clove in clove bud can be detected microscopically by the presence of starch grain. How many vitae are present in 1 chemocarp of coriander, that is 4 vitae? Unicellular conical warty trichomes is a diagnostic character of senna. Viscose rayon is a regenerated fiber derived from PCBs. In shampoo, selenium compound is used as anti-dandruff. Baguis are introduced into nose or urethra. Blank is related to expiry date of drugs, that is schedule P is related to expiry date of drugs. The maximum number of partners allowed in a banking firm is 10. In sugar coating, seal coat is done to prevent the moisture absorption. Blank is the working principle of ball mill, that is impact and attrition. In capsule salt formulation, titanium dioxide is used as opacifying agent. Autoclave is not suitable for sterilization of oils. Suitable for all these. Chikungunya is a viral disease. Blank works on the principle of elutation, that is double count classifier. On hydrolysis, purpura glycoside gives digitoxygenine plus 3-deoxyriboxose plus glucose. The maize of nutmeg is blank type of seed outgrowth, that is arillus. Ascorbic acid is in parenteral formulation is used as antioxidant. Which of the following is not the manual method for artificial respiration, that is the Trinker's method, and these all are the artificial method or manual method, sorry. How much taxable alcohol would be required in 1 gallon of 40 proof alcohol, that is 0.2 gallon. Vaccine is pertaining to schedule C1. The preparation of a trial balance helps in locating errors of commission. Blank is the longest and strongest bone of the body, that is femur. Blank is the heading of the prescription, that is superscription. Which of the following drug is known as the Sarvgandha, that is Rauwolfia? Which drug is obtained from a fungus, that is ergot? Out of the following drugs, which one is the popular anti-gout drugs, that is colchicum? Blank mass powder is known as Coase powder, that is 10/44. Blank is the smallest size capsule, that is 5. Blank is absent in chewable tablets, disintegrant. Which of the following is anti-TB drug, pyrazinamide? Blank is an example of positive mixture, sugar in water. Blank works on the principle of sublimation, freeze dryer. Cellulose acetate phthalate is used as enteric coating agent. Blank produce 1 to 20 micron size particles, fluid energy mil. Unequal distribution of color in tablet is known as mottling. These all parameters are so much important. Blank is the principle of hot air oven. Dry heat sterilization means oxidation of cell contents is the principle of hot air oven. Blank is the common side effect caused by NSAIDs. Ulceration. Moisture content of empty hard gelatin capsule cell is between 12 to 15%. Thank you. That's all.